Hello, family. It's a new year, and I'm very, very, very excited. I don't really look excited, but I am excited for what this new year holds because it's gonna be great. Just, it's going to be elevation upon elevation upon elevation, grace to grace, glory to glory. Yeah, when you start the year believing on God and trusting on God and surrendering everything to God, that's what you get. A year that's filled with grace to grace to grace. Yes, and don't look down upon pain because, well, pain is another level of grace and it's another level of trust that you earn on God. So, yeah, welcome to this video. And this video is, I'm going to show you the pre harvest. But my last video was a farm update. It was about harvest, like what happened, like after the harvest, how it looked like after the harvest. But now this is a pre-harvest, meaning it's a day before my managu are harvested. So welcome, let's go and see how they are doing, how they are flourishing. I show you the great harvest that is coming. Yay! I hope people are excited. We are going to have a bumper harvest. Woo, 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 woo. That's how my year is starting. It's starting on a high level. That's how God has loved on me. So I wish you nothing but the best for this new year, a prosperous new year, more grace, more favor, and another level of understanding on who God is. Yeah, and yeah, welcome to this other side of loving on God and trusting on Him and believing in Jesus. Welcome. For those who are not yet saved, please, please, Jesus is everything for this life. Okay, welcome. Yeah, this is pre-harvest. By pre-harvest, I mean a day before harvest. Today's on Tuesday, and it's going to be harvested yesterday. Tomorrow, okay, God. This is going to be harvested tomorrow. So this is pre-harvest. I want to show you how it is, and as you can see, as usual, this is managu, but this is after. You see the last video, this is a week after the last video, a week and like two days extra. So the other one was updates from the last video, now this is pre-harvest. This is a day before. As you can see, they have flowered well. This is we are going to have a really, really, really good harvest. So it is this whole place over there, and we have here. It is like this whole farm. This whole farm is available for harvest. You see all of that. You see it's full. It's very leafy, and this is all thanks to God because it has been raining. It rained for the last 2 days, consecutive heavy rain, so the ground is still wet. And also, as you can see, yesterday I did some transplanting, but as you can see there, I filled up some spaces, but as you can see, zimeshika chini because after I planted them, it rained. So yeah, I didn't have to bother about watering them. It is just some small spaces. Poa sana. Kofi. Yeah, this is the places that I planted yesterday. Yeah. Yes, those ones, as you can see, I just filled up the places, and also the ones that I planted. But as you can see, this half of the farm is not doing, it's not even half, it's just a section like along the fence is not doing so well. I don't know why. It's not as leafy. It's sort of the place that gets dry so fast. It doesn't hold water that much. So that's why you can see it is scattered population is going on there. But as you can see, this side is wow. We're going to have a good harvest. And the ones that I transplanted a while ago, as you can see, the whole of this place, these ones, and some other ones over there. I don't know if they're visible. Well, let me come close. Let me come closer. They are not visible from that direction, but I believe yes, as you can see. Yeah, so this is my farm of Manago, aka Black Nightshade. As you can see, I still have some more seedlings to transplant. But yeah, this is just pre-harvest. Yeah, it's going to be harvested tomorrow. So that's it for this video. Click on wait for the next video. I show you as where I'll plant these ones and the ones that I also planted yesterday in a different section in a different way. So watch out for the next video. For this, it's goodbye.